Guys, in this video, I will share the secret on why I was able to increase the profitability of my trades. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it out. Alright guys, so this is TradingView and this is the one that I am using for my trades, but I wanted to turn your focus on the one that I will be showing to you. Now this is the usual chart that TradingView has, okay? So this is the line and then you could turn it into candles just like that. It's plain and simple, just like any other trading platforms out there. You have all sorts of up and downs, the greens and the reds and all of that. But this is the one that I have, the one that I see with my charting, okay? So you have the short and the long out there. So let me go ahead and show you this, all right? So let's do this one right here. So right here, it gave me the signal to do a long on this one, okay? Now it went up all the way here. Let's see how much that it profited, okay? So if I click on that up here, you have 4.2% already on that one. Okay, so that is for just one trade, one signal that I got from the signaler. And then this one right here as well, guys. Okay, so like this. Okay, short, right? It gave me a signal to make a short trade from here to here. Let's see how much profit I got from that one. So if you click on that until here, I got 7.18%. Now, it depends on you guys. I mean, you could make a short trade, not just, you don't get the entire 7%, maybe 5% or something, depending on how risky you are with your trades. So like for this one, guys, okay, this is another long trade signal from the signaler. So if you click on that, okay, click it. Let's see. That is, all right, right here. That is 6.78% again. So you just imagine, that's another maybe 4%. You don't get the entire 6.78%. So it's another 4% profit from what you are doing. So say, for example, you are investing or you're doing like $100, right? Just $100 for the trade. At least you still get like $4 out of that quick trade. And that is, just one candlestick. Now it depends on the interval that you are doing. So say for example, you're doing like 1 hour or 15 minutes or something like that. So if you're a scalper or a swing trader, then you would get more and more. Of course, you're not going to get all profits from all the trades, but what matters here in trading is that you are getting more wins than your losses. And it's always very, very helpful for you to, have another tool to help you out. That way you could compare your technical analysis with an expert trader that is also doing his own, like for this one, okay? It gave you a signal to do another short trade like this for this one right here. It has a arrow. So if I click on this and then this one, another one is 4.98%. So let's do maybe like 3.5%. So for your $100, that's another $3.5 of profit, right? But again, if you are trading more, like if you're trading a higher amount, then you would get a higher profit from that one. But again, that is additional risk for you. So I would highly recommend, guys, if you are new with trading, tread lightly. Make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. Make sure you know how to do technical analysis and use this type of signals for you to be able to validate your technical analysis and then decide if you're going to be following the signal. But right now, I mean, these are signals that are given by experienced traders that are, that has been doing trades for quite some time already. And this is going to be definitely very, very helpful for you in making more profits from the trades that you're doing. Now, let me go ahead and share to you how you would be able to get this and use it on your trade. All right, so this is the Signaler VIP. You would see that in here, okay? Go ahead and check them out. So this is their link. Okay, I will put that in the description of the video. Now, the best thing about them, guys, is they will be giving you 1 day free trial for you to test it out, see for yourself if this is going to be helpful to you as well. But for me, I mean, this has been very, very helpful. I tried this one as well. Okay, I did that 1 day free trial And then I decided to go with the lifetime. Now, they have two plans right here that you would be able to choose from. Okay, you have the monthly, which is the $99. Okay, and you also have the $350 lifetime. Okay, so again, I'll leave it all up to you. See for yourself. Of course, do the free trial first before making a decision. Of course, do your own research. That way, you would know what you're getting yourself into. And make sure that you are also studying technical analysis, especially if you are a newbie. That way, you would learn more and make more conversions out of your trade. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.